In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post from Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever found yourself needing to remove an item, maybe it's already been sold, or perhaps you've decided to keep it after all, this guide will walk you through each step in a simple and straightforward way. First, we'll start by heading over to Facebook. You can do this on your desktop or mobile app. Just open your browser or Facebook app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, typically located at the top right corner of your screen if you're on a computer, or at the bottom right if you're using a mobile device. Tap or click on that profile icon to head over to your personal area. Next, you'll want to access your settings. Look for the Settings and Privacy option. This is your gateway to customizing your Facebook experience, and it will lead us to where we need to go for managing your activity on the platform. Click on Settings and Privacy, and you should see an option titled Activity Log. The Activity Log is a powerful tool that logs all of your actions on Facebook. Once you're in your Activity Log, you'll see a list of various options. What we're interested in today is your recent Facebook activity. Click on Your Facebook Activity to drill down further into your past interactions. Within your Facebook activity, you should see an option for the Facebook Marketplace. This is where all your marketplace activities like listings and interactions are logged. Click on Facebook Marketplace to get to your marketplace specific activities. From here, navigate to Marketplace Listings. This is a list of the items you have listed for sale, whether they are still active or have already ended. This feature provides an organized view of your ongoing marketplace dealings. When you find the post you want to delete, look for the three dots typically aligned next to the listing. These three dots indicate additional options for the listing. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu where you will find the option to delete. You'll notice a delete option appear. Click on it and confirm your choice in the subsequent pop-up to permanently remove the post from Facebook Marketplace. It's that simple. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted your post, ensuring it's no longer visible to potential buyers. And there you have it. You've just completed the process of deleting a marketplace post on Facebook. We hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy Facebooking.